Good morning, students. Today we start work energy chapter next derivation, and the name of derivation is formula for kinetic energy. So, student, you know about kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? The energy due to its motion is known as kinetic energy, and the formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. And we prove the formula for kinetic energy. It means half mv square. So, formula for kinetic energy we prove. Suppose this is a ball, and this is point A, and this is point B. If we mass of ball is small m, and we applying a velocity b, then ball is move here and go to point B. But some force are opposed the motion of ball. It means this force is retard the velocity. It means when ball is reach at point B, then ball is stop. It means final velocity B is 0, and the initial velocity u equal to v. Initial velocity u equal to v and final velocity v equal to 0. So before start the derivation, we know work equal to energy. Work equal to energy. We know that work equal to energy, and the formula for work is work equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement, work symbol is W and force is F and displacement is S. We know that kinetic energy equal to work. It means W equal to kinetic energy. It means kinetic energy equal to F into S. We know that third equation of motion, V square equal to U square plus 2S. We know value of B is 0 and value of initial velocity, it means small u is B, and the value of A is minus A because wall is retarded and after some time wall is stopped. It means final velocity 0, so ball is retarded to take negative acceleration. It means minus A. So 0 square equal to B square minus 2AS. So B square equal to 2AS. F equal to ma, it means A equal to F upon M. Put in equation B. So this is equation B. Put the value of A, V square equal to 2 and the A equal to F upon M, then F into S, then M come here. It means half mv square equal to F into S. So Fs equal to half mv square. We know F into S equal to W. It means from equation A, work equal to half mv square. It means kinetic energy equal to half mv square. To listen again, students, we know formula of work equal to force into displacement and W equal to F into S. And kinetic energy equal to work, so W equal to F into S, it means kinetic energy equal to F into S. We know that third equation of motion, it means B square equal to U square plus 2S. We putting the value of capital B, it means B equal to 0, and we putting the value of small u, it means B, small b, and we put the minus A in the place of A because ball is retarded and some opposing forces work, it means ball is retarded. After some time ball is stopped, so we put minus A in the place of A. So B square minus 2S, it means B square equal to 2AS. We know that second law of Newton, F equal to ma, so A equal to F1. We put the value of A in equation B, so B square equal to 2 F upon M into S. So half mv square equal to Fs equal to half mv square, work equal to half mv square, it means kinetic energy equal to half mv square. If we increase the value of mass, then kinetic energy is also increased. If we increase the value of velocity, then kinetic energy is also increased. Next question, a car weighing 1000 kilogram. It means in this question the value of m is 1000 kilogram and traveling at 30 meter per second. यानी initial velocity आपको दी है 30 meter per second. Stops at a distance of 50 meter. It means S is given 50 meter. Decelerating uniformly. It means B equal to 0 given because after some time car is stopped. What is the force? It means F is question mark. And what is the work? It means W equal to question mark. Students, we know about the formula of force F equal to ma. So here m is available but a is not available. So we can find the a with third equation of motion. V square equal to u square plus 2as, and the value of v is 0 and the value of u is 30 and 2. After that ball is retarded, it means a equal to minus a and s equal to 50. Then 0 square means 900 minus 100a, it means 100a equal to 900, a equal to आपका जो है आ जाएगा माइनस का हो जाएगा ये 900 जब अपोजिट साइड जाएगा 900 अपॉन 100, इट मीन्स a इक्वल टू माइनस 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. We can find the value of f equal to ma. It means the value of m is 1000 and the value of a is 9. So 9000 Newton is the force. Okay? The value of force is 9000 and the value of work is equal to force into displacement (9,000) into displacement is 50 joule. Students, you listen again. This question is based on equation of motion, force formula and work formula. So listen again. A car weighing 1000 kilogram, it means m is given 1000 kilogram and traveling at 30 meter per second, it means u is 30 meter per second, and stops at a distance of 50 meter, it means displacement is 50 meter, and after 50 meter the car is stopped, it means final velocity is 0. So firstly we can find the value of force, after that we can find the value of work. So student, we know that v square equal to u square plus 2as. So v it means 0 square, u it means 30 square, plus 2 into a it means minus a, because car is decelerated and after some time car is stopped. So we take minus a in the place of a and s is 50, it means displacement is 50. So 0 equal to 900 minus 100a, यानी 100a equal to minus का 900, it means a equal to minus का 9 meter per second square, f equal to m, तो 1000 into minus 9000 Newton is the force, because Newton is the SI unit of force, and work equal to force into displacement. So force is 9000 and displacement is 50 meter, तो 4540 जूल, यानी वर्क आपका क्या है, इतना जूल है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. Students, our next numerical is based on kWh, it means kilowatt hour, and power formula. A radius set of 60 watt, P equal to 60 watts, runs for 50 hours, यानी 50 यानी 50. टाइम आपको गिवन है 50 hours. How many units of kWh of electrical energy are consumed? P equal to W upon T, it means power equal to work upon time, it means energy consumed upon time. Then energy consumed is quotients, it means energy equal to power time. Student, we have power value in watts, to be convert in kilowatts divided by thousands. Then 60 upon 1000 into time is 50. It means 3 kWh. So, student, in this question we have a value of power, but the value of power is in watt. To be convert this watt into kilowatt by dividing by 1000, then 60 upon 1000, and the time in this question is 50 hours. Then how many minutes? It means number of minutes we can find in this question. So P equal to W upon T, it means power equal to work upon time, it means power equal to energy consumed upon time. So energy consumed equal to power into time, and the value of power is 60 upon 1000, and the value of time is 50. So we remove this 0 is this 0. So 5 to 10, it means 20, 20, 3 60. It means 3 kilowatt hour is the units of electrical energy is consumed. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electrical energy. Student, you know the kilowatt hour equal to 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So this is the value of kilowatt hour in joule. Our next question is based in this formula. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. The next question is, a family uses 250 units. आपको जो kWh दिया हुआ है 250 दिया है of electrical energy during a month. Calculate this energy in joules. So 1 kWh equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Then 250 kWh equal to 250 into 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. Then we remove 1 0. Then 250 into 36 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1. And 250 into 36 into 10 to the power 5. It means 9 into 10 to the power 8 joule is answer. 250 kWh equal to 9 into 10 to the power 8 joule. We multiply these values and we get this answer. So next question is based on kWh. It means kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electrical energy. After that, B. Then on question on conservation of energy. Conservation of energy derivation. It means we explain in class also. At each point, the energy of, it means mechanical energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to mechanical energy जो होता है 20 joules आ रहा था हमारा. Every point the energy is 20 joules, 20 joules, 20 joules. If kinetic energy is increased, then potential energy decrease. If potential energy is increased, then kinetic energy is decreased. So next topic is based on conservation of energy, transformation of energy.